fastest way to get leads and sales? The answer is retargeting or remarketing. Hi, I'm Leanna. I'm a paid media buyer, which means I manage and buy ads for other people to help them sell their services and products. And when you need to sell products quickly, or you need to produce leads quickly, one of the best ways to do this is what we call remarketing or retargeting. What that is showing ads to people who already know that they want what you sell. Doesn't that sound much easier to do instead of trying to convince somebody who doesn't even know they need what you have or know you exist? What you want to do is take all your audiences that have, maybe they've started to buy something, or they started to sign up for something, or maybe they've even visited stuff on your website that indicates that they're really interested or that they do have a need for what you can provide. You can use retargeting in order to remind them, and you have a much better chance of selling to them or getting them to sign up than a totally cold audience. The trick, though, is to create your segments really well so that you can customize your message to them. And in order to do that, I would highly recommend that you pick up this book called Retargeting Recipes by Justin Brooke. The reason is that it takes all the guesswork out of how to segment it, what messaging to put in, because this actually has the top 7 proven and most reliable retargeting campaign recipes that Justin found out when he spent over $10 million in online ads. So he's already done all the work for us and spent all the money to test this out. So I'll show you what one of them looks like. It's right here. They're each like about one. Most of them are one page, and the font is actually kind of bigger. So, it's very simple, step by step. And all you need to do is follow the instructions in this book and then set it and forget it. And you've got all your retargeting campaigns ready to go. It also has some of the top mistakes people can make as well. The great news is that it's available to you for free. All you have to do is go to the link on this page and follow the instructions. Plus, I've created an additional $500 in bonuses if you pick up this book with the link below. So all you have to do is go there to get started, and then you can have this book in your hands and get started with your campaigns.